If you're a homeowner or are interested in gardening, you probably know what native plants are, and you may have heard of their use in landscaping. For years, people have debated on which form of landscaping is better, grass lawns or native plants. Which is it, and why is it native plants? Native plants have a plethora of benefits over grass lawns. For one, they often use a lot less water than grass lawns do. This is usually a benefit, especially in dry areas such as Nevada, as there are a lot of native plants to these areas that are naturally drought resistant. Native plants also need much less care and maintenance than grass lawns do. You don't have to take the time or gas to mow them, which also helps contribute less to pollution. Not having to buy gas for your lawnmower can also save a lot of money. Replacing grass with native plants can help save the environment, save money, and save energy. While native plants are generally better than grass, there are some arguments against them. Grass lawn defenders often state that they are more aesthetically pleasing than native plants. However, there are a multitude of appealing native plants. In Nevada, some native plants that I personally feel are gorgeous include the Indian paintbrush, blue flax, and the prickly pear. I love you, prickly pear, my beloved. There are many aesthetically appealing plants that are native to Nevada. Although it can be difficult, it is important that homeowners in the West incorporate more native plants in their lawns. Since grass lawns have pretty much been the standard since the early 1800s, this is a difficult thing to convince people to do. However, change can start small. With each lawn that utilizes less water and less gas, people can help the environment a little bit at a time. It won't fix all of our problems, but it may help, even if just a bit.